Hi guys, it's Tomek from the Green Room. I just want to give you a very quick and easy recipe for avoiding mold problems in your plants. Especially the autumn and winter is coming in Poland, so it's very easy to get that mold problem in your plants. So what do we need? What ingredients? Just let me show you quickly. We need just couple cloves of garlic. We need boiled water, just about a liter, and a jar where we will make the garlic mixture. It's about 1 liter jar. So what we need to do first, we just need to peel the cloves of garlic. It's about 2-3 of them. And when it's peeled, here we go, we've got it done here. We just need to chop the garlic. Right, so magically the garlic is chopped, as you can see. We just put the garlic in the jar. Just need to open it. Just put all of the garlic up down there. Go. Yeah, it's done, and we just pour the boiled water with the whole jar like that. So the garlic mixture is ready, and we leave it for a day, and after the day we can water our plants with that garlic mixture, and it will help us to avoid mold problems in our plants. By the way, remember, when you water your plants in autumn and winter time, don't do it as frequently as in summer. Our plants don't need so much water, as most of them just fall asleep. So just do it, instead of twice a week, just do it once a week, or even less than that. Right, thank you very much for today. Have a good day and see you next time. Cheers, bye.